Have you ever wondered which country is closest to the moon? At first, it seems simple, or maybe not. First, we need to find the highest point on Earth, and that's definitely Mount Everest, rising almost 9,000 meters above sea level. It's truly the highest mountain. So you might think it's Nepal and China, since both countries share the summit of Everest. But that's actually not the closest point to the moon. Here's why. The Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It's flat. Just kidding. It's actually a geoid, slightly squashed at the poles and bulging at the equator because of its rotation. Here's an exaggerated model of what the Earth actually looks like, with its irregularities enlarged hundreds of times to make the distortions visible at this scale. This means that the closest point to the moon is the highest point on the equator, because the Earth's radius at the equator is 21 kilometers greater than at the poles. And that brings us to Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador. This volcano rises over 6,000 meters above sea level, lower than Everest. But if we compare the distance from the center of the Earth to the summits of Everest and Chimborazo, we'll see that Chimborazo is about 2 kilometers farther from the center, making Ecuador the closest country to the moon.